Hey, what's up, YouTube? Uh, just real quick video on what I've been up to. Um, Shoot, I got 2 weeks. I'm gonna be living in this van full time. So I don't know, man. Am I gonna make it? I know I'm not gonna have water. Electricity, I'm not sure about, but I'm gonna have a bed. I'm gonna have walls. I'm gonna have that kind of stuff. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see what happens. But yeah. Um, so from the last video to this video, I was just doing some odds and ends and stuff like that. I boarded up the back bulkhead wall, insulated that, um, and working on some other stuff, getting stuff into my storage, getting stuff out of my house, all that good happy stuff. Like I said, I've got 2 weeks, and I'm gonna be in this thing full time, no matter if it's ready or not. So I'm gonna be roughing it probably for a little while until I can get some electricity and water and all that good happy stuff. But yeah, man. Like I said, a real quick video on what I've been doing. Just boarding up the back wall, and doing some more insulation, and started working on my um, yeah, back wall, the cushions for my bench. To If you've seen my other videos, you know that it extends my bed out, a little bit longer. So I went and got some cushions for that, and started cutting those up, put those on there, for my L-shaped couch. And then, like I said, when I slide it out to a bed, it matches up with the bench. But yeah, I mean, this is where I'm at as far as that's concerned. I did, obviously, for this part here, I have to get some fabric made and put over top of the cushions and all that stuff, so it stays put. It doesn't slide all over the place. But I did get my fantastic fans in, so I'm putting two of these in, and I'll give you reasons for that later. But yeah, got both of those in. So that video is coming here real soon. The installation on that. So subscribe and stay tuned for what's coming up next, man. I will see you later. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.